What up, what up? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with the makeup shenanigans. First off, we are going to do a dance, and then we're going to hop right into the Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette, and then we just going to use a MAC 212 brush. It's more like a box angled brush, and we're going to just map out that crease. So to blend out the crease, I'm going to be going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac sign palette. I'm using like a nice pink lavender color just to blend that out. I'm not going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics white base. Like, this has been my best friend lately. Like, here I'm just going to be mapping out where I want the double cut crease to go. Like I said in millions of videos, when I do double cut creases, I have to go over my natural crease, like my natural fold, and then you have to go over that twice because you're doing a double cut crease. So I'm just mapping out where I want the double cut crease to go. Now, the shade that I am putting next to the purple will be the shade that I use to blend out my crease. I also like to go over my double cut crease to make it pop, because you know sometimes eyeshadow get in the crease or it's not even. So I'm just going over with the white, and then once I go over it with the cream white, I'm going to use a white matte eyeshadow just to set it. So here I'm just basically adding the deep purple on the end, which is the same purple that's in my crease. So I'm just gonna add that to give it like a little ombre situation, and I just love cleaning it up after because it just looks so perfect, nice and seamless and amazing. It looks so bomb. So we jumping straight into the face. We're using a Too Faced Hangover Primer, and then we're gonna go in with some e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer, and we're jumping straight into foundation. I believe I used the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX foundation in Deep Saddle. This has been my favorite combo lately. Like, I probably need to try to use more of my products, but I'm just loving these right now. So with the concealer, we're gonna go with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love this concealer. It gives me the best highlights. Oh my god. Oh yeah, watch me clean it up. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's so satisfying. Now I'm going to do some highlighting in my inner corner. I'm going to use this nice purple here. However, I thought to myself, why I can't use it as a highlight? Just because my eyes is purple. We're going to do some purple on the lips. So we just wanted to like color coordinate. So jumping into the lips, I'm going to be using Night Moth by MAC, and then I'm going to use my liquid lipstick, the NYX London shade, and then I'm going to go over with the Fenty Beauty's lip gloss. I use Night Moth because it gives like a nice deep plum situation going on, and I wanted to just match my lips low-key. here I'm just doing my bottom lash line. I'm going to put the same shades that I have up top in the bottom, so it can like have a little ombre effect. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to please like this video so my videos can throw in the algorithm. Comment down below your thoughts. I hope they're positive. Follow me on my social medias, my business page. I am selling a hair serum. If you're interested, please look in that description box. I have the website and my Instagram. Check it out, support, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.